excuse the lighting in here. Hotel lighting typically sucks. But we're about to make dinner in our room so that it saves us a lot of money, because 6 people, typically it costs a lot of money to go eat out. So we want to try and save some money on our trip. We are going to be making these veggie spirals for our spaghetti noodles tonight. Which not really spaghetti, but it's orange chicken over some zucchini spirals. It'll be good. So we have 4 of those we're going to cook up. And all of this you can make in the microwave. We got 2 packs of this orange chicken. Let's go make dinner in the microwave. We're going to make all of this in this tiny little microwave. So we're going to go ahead and put the first one in for the 6 to 7 minutes that it says to put it in for. I did make sure to bring our meat stick just to make sure that the meat was at the proper temperature. I don't know how many pieces of chicken that is. Oh, got some big ones in there. Okay. I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna get some hot water and run the hot water over this. Use one of these. Maybe just put that in there, put some hot water, heat it up. Get that in a minute. I don't know what chicken this came from, but this is like a giant piece of chicken. So we're gonna heat the chicken up now that we have it plated. We're gonna pop it in the microwave. It says 3 minutes for like 15 pieces. I'm probably gonna put it in there for like maybe 10 minutes and just kind of see how that works. Here we have our meat that is ready. I did test it with the meat stick. Here, Johnny, take the meat stick. And then we heated up the sauce pack in this little cup with some hot water from the bathroom, so that is ready. So now what we're going to do, and we have our noodles back here that are heated up. So, here, you take that. Careful. Alright, we're going to dump our sauce all over the chicken. Then we're going to mix it around. Got to really coat that big one.
Obnoxiously big.
Right? It's the biggest one in the pack. This meal all together for the 4 bags of these were about $2 each. So 2, 4, 6, $8 for our vegetable. And then these were, I believe, Johnny, weren't these like $6 each?
Something like that.
Yeah, these were like $6 each for these bags of orange chicken. So we spent approximately $20 to feed 6 people, and it's actually like we wouldn't even be able to go out and get an appetizer for 6 people for that price. So we're actually going to try this. We're going to try to put this over and shake them up.
I realize, G, because I don't have a belt.
Shaky, shaky. You know, I can see your judgment in the mirror.
Yeah, no.
Y'all can't see Johnny's judgment right now, but he's judging me heavily. But you know what? He should be thankful because this is saving his wallet money. You're welcome. I mean, you can take $20 for dinner or $200. It's up to you, my guy. Oh, yeah, look at that. That sauced them up real nice.
Sauced them up.
Look at that. That sauced those up real good. I'm going to turn the camera so y'all can see this. Look at that. It's nice and saucy. Nice and saucy. So now we're going to plate this up so the kids can eat. This may not be the most like, oh my gosh, appetizing thing, but you know what? To save money while traveling, this works.
Go.
This absolutely works. And it is a decently healthy meal. And you're not spending a whole lot of money on it. Alright, so get some chicken on here. And this orange chicken actually tastes pretty good. Alright. Should be good. Alright, and then there we go. Dinner is served.